In civil engineering, unfortunately, the college syllabus has not been updated with the current practices that are being actually followed at site. So for example, you must have learned the centerline method, long wall, short wall method in the estimation subject, right? But these methods are not at all being used at site. Why? Because both these methods are best suitable in case of load bearing types of structures. But when you will work at site, there you will have to prepare estimates and BOQs for the RCC structures, right? So there basically a completely separate method is followed to prepare estimates and BOQs. Along with that, the accurate cost calculation part is also not at all being covered anywhere inside the college syllabus, right? So today also there is a huge gap between the theory and practice, because of which many civil engineers struggles a lot while working at site. And in order to gain this practical experience, in order to learn these actual practices, they will have to again invest their 4 to 5 years at site just for the sake of gaining this field experience. And after that only they can think about their career growth. Now, if you want to save these 4 to 5 years of precious time of your life, and if you want to grow fast in your career by learning the skill of accurate quantity and cost calculations, then I am having something amazing for you. Learn to prepare accurate and professional level estimates for any type of building construction project, that too without having any kind of field experience and without having any kind of prior estimation knowledge. Yes, you heard it right. My name is Kaustubh Ahir. I am a civil engineer and I am having more than 10 years of experience in the construction field as of now. So I am going to teach you this skill from scratch. I am going to take you from zero level to expert level in this estimation and costing skill, so that you can grow in your career with speed and you can enjoy working at site. And not only that, I am going to give you 5 mind-blowing extra bonuses also, which is worth rupees 30,000. Plus you are going to get a lifetime access to this course and an excellent doubt solving support. So if you are really hungry to learn this skill and if you really want to grow fast in your career, so take action now. Click on the sign up button below to get the course details and for the registration. So this is Kaustubh Ahir signing off. Let us meet inside the course.